Good morning, you guys. So I decided I'm gonna film a what I eat in a day video today. I'm Lydia. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start my day with a little workout. I'm gonna do a Sami Clarke full body workout. I'll link it in the description down below. I actually just went to do my absolute favorite one she had posted on Instagram, and it's no longer there, so I'm so disappointed, and I was literally so looking forward to it today. I'm just wearing this white garage tank and these new orange Lululemon shorts. I'll link the video down below. I actually did a whole Lululemon try-on haul if you want to go check that out. And yes, I'm going to start my day with a Sami Clarke workout. I'll see you guys when I'm finished. That workout absolutely killed me. I wanted to quit halfway through, but I pushed through it. So I'm starving now. It's about 1 in the afternoon, and I'm going to make myself a coffee. I picked up Starbucks last night and put it in my fridge to have for today. I think I'm going to make a sweet potato pizza. I make this almost every single day. It's just so filling and delicious. I think I've already posted the recipe. Let me know if you want the full recipe, but I'm just gonna quickly make it, and then yeah, that's gonna be my lunch slash breakfast for the day. Okay, so I'm just sipping on my iced coffee, which is a coconut iced coffee with no classic, just 1 pack of stevia, and then I'm making my sweet potato and stacking on some grapes. This is my lunch today. It's just sweet potato with red sauce, oregano, garlic powder, and then turkey, grilled tomatoes, and grilled onion, and a little bit of pineapple. Literally my favorite food in the world. I could eat this every day, all day. So it's super nice out. It's like 12 degrees here. Me and Thomas are just gonna go for a little walk. And then I had a bunch of these gluten-free Annie's cheddar bunnies. And then my best friend asked if I'd go to the gym with her, so I put on the same outfit I had on earlier, went on the treadmill and ran for 25 minutes, and did some leg lifts. Then after about an hour, we went to the grocery store, and I picked up some turkey, some grapes, some bananas, and some of these beautiful flowers that were on sale. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back from the gym. I ended up having a really good workout. I really wasn't feeling it when I first went there. I was kind of in a slump, but my best friend encouraged me to go. I ended up doing 25 minutes of running, and then we just used the weights. It's 7 o'clock and I'm starving. I stopped at the grocery store, and they have these beautiful bouquets of flowers that are usually $30 on sale. So I got those. I picked up a coffee for tomorrow morning, and then I picked up a package of chicken. So I'm gonna put that in the air fryer, grill it, and kind of make like lettuce chicken wraps. Okay, so I know this looks kind of crazy, but I'm just having turkey with lettuce, and yeah, it's gonna be my supper. Okay, so I just finished my lettuce and turkey, and I was still hungry, so I just made some oats. I chopped up a banana, added some cinnamon, some coconut milk, then I topped it with a couple crushed mini eggs. Well, it's the next day, and that's everything I had yesterday. Just a reminder not to compare whatever you're having to what I'm having. Everybody's different. Everybody has different needs. I really try to eat intuitively. Whenever I'm hungry, I'll eat more. Some days I have less. I post new videos every Saturday and Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.